So the entire code is available once again in the chat box. If someone has missed the previous one, you may go through with the new already posted the same code once again. So the entire code has been reposted once again in the chat box, and that's great to see that few of you already have executed and you found the code executing perfectly. So if anyone having any issue or any doubt or you wish to discuss anything, you may please unmute yourself and you may. Great, great, Sylvester. That's great. So now the forum is open for any discussion you wish to do from any portion of the this entire MCSL 228, as this is one of the end the last session for this entire MCSL 228. So uh, if anyone having anyone wish to do any kind of the discussion on any of the topic, please let me know so that we may discuss over there or you may enjoy the executing of the code. So I'm just right here. We have a 10 more minutes for this session. So I'm still, I'll be available for the next 10 minutes. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know so that we may have a discussion here. Yes, Sylvester. Yeah, please let me know. Okay. Mhm. Yes. Thank you very much, Sylvester. Thank you very much. Actually, this is your introductory course of AI and ML, just our introductory course. That's why here we already have your block is only discussing the basic step of this one, not the exact real implementation. So if you will be interested for future work over the AI and the email, you need to select one or two particular topics and you have to dig much deeper in the particular problem, and there you may find. So here what we have did here, we have taken the simple data set like the iris data set or the breast cancer data set, simple, very simple data sets, very basic data set we have taken. And here the basic objective of this entire MCSL 228 is to show you how the execution is going on, what is the basic objective of different kind of the AI and ML algorithms, AI and ML techniques you have. So now, once you will understand the basic differences between the different flavors of the algorithm, you may take the real data set. You may take the real data set. That data set you may take by consulting the uh, particular organization Suppose that you wish to work over some patient data, you may contact to the some hospitals, you may take some real data set, and you may perform this kind of the implementation of the algorithm, which will give you a real flavor of the prediction of all these things. So this is academic only focus on the basic of the basic of the courses, so that you will understand at least basic portion, so that in future if you wish to develop your career in the particular field, you may apply your knowledge there. So this was only the basic data and basic course aims to provide you basic information about all these things. So it was really a wonderful session. And the entire this MCSL 228 was a really a wonderful session. We have a discussion on various topics, and we have one of the major achievement is that we have a code for each and every problem. We have seen the code for the each and every problem, and we also have executed the code very successfully. It was great to see that along with me, all other participants, including the Sylvester Yusuf and the Muhammad Abdullah, these are the very attentive candidates who are participating almost in every lecture, and they also executed the code by themselves on their platform. And I'm happy to see that everyone is very curious to know about this one and curious to execute the code, and they have executed the code successfully as well. So it was really a great interaction during this entire MCSL 228. And I never found this kind of the student in any of the batch. Mostly in the online, this kind of the online interaction, mostly I found that students are silent in nature, and they never respond whatever you tell them. They never respond. But here, especially you guys are very interactive, and you always had responded whenever there was a issue. You always had responded, and we have a fruitful discussion over here. So uh, it was really a great batch for me, especially the international student batch. So I'm really very satisfactory with your batch. So this was the overall discussion for the MCSL 228. If anyone having any issue, please let me know. Or if you wish to do any kind of the decision, please let me know. You may give a general feedback as well if you. Thank you, Sylvester. Thank you, Namaskar. I Thank you, Sylvester. Thank you very much. I didn't get any kind of feedback from the organizer, from the RC regional centers. I didn't get any kind of the information regarding the feedback of all these things. But however, uh, if there will be any kind of the feedback form, then definitely it will be shared with you by the regional centers, and I'll be happy to see your recommendation and your feedback for my entire sessions as well. For Okay, so thank you very much, Sylvester, and thank you. Sure, sure. I'm dropping my email in my chat box. You may find there, and if you have any kind of the discussion or any confusion in any of the discussion, you may contact me. So email ID is given in the chat box, and my phone number, my contact number is also available in the chat box. If anyone having any issue at any moment of time, you may call me as well. If I'll be free at that moment, I'll be definitely happy to answer you. If I'll be busy, definitely I'll pick up your call, and I'll request you to contact me after a few minutes later. So I'm happy to receive your call as well. Thank you very much, and thanks for my deeply thanks to entire team for providing me this kind of the opportunity to interact with the international students as well. So it was a really a very wonderful session. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you Yusuf for your compliments. Thank you very much. So thank. Yeah, sure. We may leave now. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank
Bye
you,
bye.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.